If you own a Samsung Galaxy phone, get ready because the next big update is finally here. Samsung has officially confirmed that One UI 7 based on Android 15 is rolling out on April 7, 2025. After months of speculation and beta testing, the stable version is finally making its way to devices, and if you're a Galaxy S24 user, you're first in line. But here's the thing, while the S24 series gets the update first, not everyone will receive it immediately. Samsung is following its usual phase rollout, meaning some users might have to wait a little longer. The burning question is, when will your device get One UI 7? Stick around because we have all the details on release dates, new features, and what this update means for you. The Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra have been testing One UI 7 through several beta versions, so it's no surprise they're getting the stable update first. But what about the rest of Samsung's lineup? Well, Samsung has confirmed that more devices, including the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and the S23 series, will also get the update. However, the exact release dates depend on multiple factors such as your region, carrier, and the final testing process. If you have a mid-range device, don't worry, Samsung is bringing One UI 7 to some of its latest budget phones like the Galaxy A26, A36, and A56, launching with the update pre-installed. Now, one question a lot of people are asking is, why is Samsung releasing One UI 7 in April, when Google pushed Android 15 to Pixel phones back in late 2024? The answer is simple. Samsung takes extra time to fine-tune its software, optimizing it for different devices to ensure a smoother experience. And this time, they've been extra careful, running extensive beta tests on the Galaxy S23 series, Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and even the Galaxy Tab S10 series. Samsung knows that software bugs can ruin the user experience, so this additional testing phase is crucial to delivering a stable and refined update. But here's where things get interesting. If you thought Samsung was done with the One UI 7 beta program, think again. Recent leaks suggest that the company has one more beta update in the pipeline before the final release. Yes, you heard that right. Samsung is reportedly releasing a 6th beta for the Galaxy S24 series. This last-minute beta indicates that Samsung is making final tweaks, possibly optimizing battery life, enhancing animations, and fixing lingering compatibility issues with third-party apps. The update isn't just about aesthetics, it's about refining the entire user experience to make sure One UI 7 runs smoothly across all supported devices. Speaking of features, One UI 7 brings some exciting changes, including improved multitasking, better AI-powered optimizations, and a more polished interface. The beta updates have already introduced new enhancements, such as a long video recording mode for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, a feature previously exclusive to the S24 Ultra. Samsung has also improved animations, making the UI feel snappier, and addressed various bugs that users reported during the beta phase. Expect even more refinements in the final version, with better battery management and smoother performance across the board. But here's something important to keep in mind: just because One UI 7 launches on April 7, doesn't mean everyone gets it on that day. Samsung follows a phased rollout, meaning only select regions will receive the update first. Depending on where you live, you might get it immediately, or you might have to wait a few extra days or even weeks before the update reaches your device. This staggered rollout helps Samsung identify any unexpected issues before pushing the update to a larger audience. If past updates are anything to go by, major markets like the US, UK, South Korea, and Germany will likely be among the first to receive One UI 7, with other regions following shortly after. Now let's talk about what happens next. While Samsung is rolling out One UI 7, Google is already preparing for Android 16, expected to launch in mid-2025. This means Samsung has a limited window to finalize One UI 7 updates before shifting its focus to the next big software iteration. If you have an older Galaxy device, you may have to wait a bit longer, but rest assured, Samsung is committed to bringing this update to as many devices as possible. So whether you own a Galaxy S24 or a slightly older model, your phone is about to get a significant upgrade. For Samsung's latest foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, One UI 7 is expected to arrive sometime next month. Samsung has been gradually improving its software for foldable devices, making them more efficient and user-friendly. If you own a Galaxy S23, Z Fold 5, or another recent Samsung flagship, your update isn't far off either. Samsung has consistently delivered software updates faster in recent years, so we can expect the One UI 7 rollout to be smoother than ever. So here's the big question: should you update to One UI 7 as soon as it becomes available? While early adopters will be eager to get their hands on the latest features, it's always a good idea to wait a few days and see if any major bugs pop up. Samsung typically releases quick hotfixes if there are any issues, so if you want the most stable experience, waiting just a little longer might be the best move. With One UI 7 just around the corner, it's time to prepare your device for the update. Make sure you have enough storage available, back up your important data, and keep an eye on Samsung's official update tracker for rollout details in your region. If you're excited about this update, let us know in the comments. Are you upgrading right away, or will you wait to see how stable the final version is? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for all the latest Samsung news, software updates, and in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.